Hi. How are you? Okay, I'm recording now. Yeah. Wow, that's so creepy. Hi there. Good morning if you're in the Australian and Asian time zone, and good evening if you're in the European and American time zone. Anywho, disclaimer, this doesn't serve as a recommendation or anything like that. Just make sure that you guys do your own due diligence, do your own research. This is just based on how I trade, which is mainly trend following, and I usually avoid ranging markets. This part I'm gonna just share some of my ideas, how I'll be trading at the start of the week at least, because my plans change often, especially after some news releases. There aren't much for this week except for I think I'll be monitoring European industrial production, trade balance, Japanese trade balance. Okay. Oh, this one. Chinese loans. Alright. Bank of England, credit conditions, bank liabilities. Yeah, just CPI by Thursday. Yeah, not that much this week. For AUD, Australian dollar, I think it's currently oversold. There's a risk that it might reverse really, really soon. It depends on probably Chinese data if it's better than expected. I think I might scalp it until somewhere near 0.90, and then it really depends. It really depends on Chinese yen, basically, on Chinese data. If I'll push through that plan. If not, then maybe I'll just wait for AUD pairs to reverse. For AUD CHF, I'll just wait around 0.70, wait for it to bounce up maybe, or go further down, break my 0.6980 critical level. And then for AUD JPI, I just want to wait until 80. There you go. I don't know if that's gonna go down further to 78.736, or it might bounce up until 81.5, somewhere around that level. Okay, for AUD NZD, AUD NZ, oh yeah, I think I'll just wait near 1.10. Let me just put that. Wait near 1.10. Same thing with Euro AUD and GBP AUD. So yeah, I'm not really sure if it will break that level, that weekly level. That's the 2015 high. It might suddenly reverse, we never know. It might reverse anytime soon, or it might jump until 1.65 before reversing. Again, this high. This area here is kind of risky. So if you're good in scalping, then you can probably scalp that. But me, I'm not that really good in it, so I'll just wait for further confirmation. Okay, so GBP AUD, same thing. Might wait near 185. What's with let's say Thursday? Let me see. I forgot. So Wednesday 4:30. Okay. GBP is the GBP trade balance and other stuff. CAD CHF. All right. So I might scalp this pair. Last week I actually submitted an idea that it will go and break this level. Thankfully, it didn't hit my buy stop. Actually, I didn't enter any buy stop in my live account, but I did in the demo account. For Canadian JPY, it also depends on whether oil will continue to go bearish. This is actually less risky than Canadian CAD CHF. Anything with CHF is so risky and high risk, high probability of getting whipsawed. Euro CAD. I'm not gonna trade this. Okay, and then same thing with GBP CAD. GBP CAD. My nose is itchy. It might reach 1.75 this week in the later part of the week if the pound continues to be, stronger and more resilient, especially against the dollar. So I'll probably wait before entering any trade, and most likely I'll just scalp instead of trade in a longer time frame, because I don't want to get whipsawed again like what always happened to me in the past. I'm slowly learning my lesson. It's better to scalp than, I don't know, unless you have really deep pockets as the banks. You can swing trade as much as you like, as much as your heart. No, what's the term? As much as your heart desires. Anyway, so NZD CAD. I have a lot of questions. This is so oversold. There's a high risk that NZD pairs are really oversold, and most of them have reached 2015 to 2016 lows. There's a high risk that I might get whipsawed, so probably I'll just wait for further confirmation. Most likely I'll avoid trading NZD pairs this week. USD CAD, same thing. USD pairs, I'm most likely not gonna trade any USD pairs this week, because most of them, we're gonna see later, but most of them are at the really critical levels, at the turning points. I have to wait for further confirmation. Probably next week I'll start trading USD pairs again, but this week, no. Anyway, for Sweezies, AUDCHF, yeah, okay, we discussed that earlier. Sweezies in general are kind of strong. No, yeah, kind of strong. Getting stronger. So, okay, so CHF-JPY. Why? CHF-JPY. Oh my god, my nose is so itchy. So I'm planning to scalp that up after the Swissy news tomorrow. We'll see. Euro CHF, just wait. I don't really know. You may or may not. You can scalp it if you're good in scalping, but probably most likely I'll avoid that. And then GBP CHF, it's up to you though. I'm not, suggesting. It's just I'm just sharing. I'm just sharing my opinions. You don't have to trade like I do. Just do your own diligence. And then next week we'll see. We'll review our positions. We'll review what happened. Yeah, it's currently very overbought. GBP pairs. GBP CHF, it can go up to 1.32, but again, now maybe not. 1.30 is a really good psychological level. I don't know, I'm not gonna trade GBP pairs this week. GBP and USD pairs, most of them I'll avoid. NZD, and also NZD, but except for this one, I think I'll just scalp this NZD CHF because NZD pairs are kind of oversold. It's better to wait for confirmation. Okay, USD CHF, USD Swisses. I might scalp. Nah, the risk reward ratio is not that great. Okay, so for Euro AUD, yeah, it's currently at yet another critical level. Most Euro, like USD, NZD, are at critical levels now. It might bounce up here, but nah, it's a stretch. Probably I'll wait for it to bounce down and either bounce down from here or bounce down from here. We'll see. But I might wait for confirmation somewhere here. And then my next target is gonna be at 1.61, just to be safe. And then EuroCAD, same thing, 1.50. That's a really, really nice level. It might just go ranging near 1.50. I don't know. We'll see. Euro CHF. I don't know if I'll scalp that. We'll see. Euro GBP. I will scalp after 2 p.m. tomorrow. It's the German industrial production. If GBP continues to get stronger, I mean, be more resilient to dollar, and continues to be a strong pair, strong currency, then I'll sell this. Okay, Euro JPY, Euro NZ, Euro USD, really, really nice psychological levels there. So let's take a look at Euro JPY. We'll see, unless I get a really strong, probably bullish trend. Might go up here, 135. We'll see. But for now, I'll avoid that. Euro NZ, I'll just continue to wait the 180 levels. Yeah, I might go here if we're bouncing down, or it might suddenly bounce down here somewhere. So be careful of getting whipsawed. Also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're already at the last wave. It might have a wave 5 extension. I'm not sure, but we're at the last game now here, guys. So really, really risky. It's better if we were able to buy it somewhere here and then go up to 1.80. If you look at the weekly chart of Euro NZD, we're also already at the 2015 high, or actually near it. So wait, what? Yeah, there you go, 115 high. Haven't reached it yet, but almost. I don't know if we can. It's a stretch. We're lucky if we were able to catch that until 1.85, but there's really, really high chance of getting whipsawed there. So gotta be careful. Just wait for a confirmation somewhere here, below here, of a bounce down, because it's also euro pairs are also kind of overbought, like the GBP, Euro USD. Yeah, 1.55. Alrighty. Am I recording? Okay. That would be really terrible if I don't wanna record that again if I forgot to. I don't wanna record the whole thing again. I wanna sleep. Jesus, it's already 4 a.m. here. 4:32. Then I have to edit this. So probably gonna sleep at around 6 a.m. That's alright. That's my usual sleeping time. I'm not normal kid. And then I'll wake up at around 1 p.m. GMT plus 8. Okay, so yeah, it might go ranging here. It might go up, might go down. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So okay, moving on to GBP pairs. So it's the same thing. Just keep on waiting. Probably most likely gonna trade GBP pairs after Wednesday or Thursday news. What's gonna happen there again? Yeah, the trade balance reports, manufacturing production. I might scalp after that and then sell or buy again. I mean, close my position and then trade again after the Bank of England, the BOE credit conditions and bank liability surveys. And the house price balance. So yeah, Euro GBP. Yeah, we discussed that earlier. GBP AUD, same thing. GBP CAD also. What else? Okay, GBP CHF. GBP JPY or GBP JPY. Oops, where are you going? No. Stay there. Not yet oversold. It might actually reach 150. Let's see. Nah, the risk reward is not that great, especially with this candle. I hate candles like this. Damn it. So yeah, I'm not gonna trade that one. GBP NZ. Yeah, it might bounce up there or it might not. GBP USD, same thing, 1.30. Really nice. Psychological level. Really perfect. I love the markets. These days, they're all the same. 1.30, same thing. It depends. I don't know if that will go down or not. It depends on Theresa May and Trump. Yeah. So, okay, moving on to NZ. Again, it's the same thing. You guys would be like, this girl is just, all she does is tell her viewers, just wait, But patience is a virtue, so what can you do? NZD USD, NZ is oversold. Just gonna wait around 0.64. Yeah. Because we have reached 2016 low. Anywho, moving on to USD pairs. Okay, let's see which one we haven't discussed. Okay, so USD in general is okay. Have I discussed USD JPY? Oh, not yet. Okay, let's go there. USD JPY. USD has experienced some. It's stronger in general. It's strongest among all other currencies, but it went bearish. It has consolidated, not really gone full blast bearish. Oh, I started to reverse really soon. Oops. Yay, finally, I can adjust my weekly chart now. I've probably pressed something earlier. So, oh, okay. It might go down until here or here. I will trade it after 7:30 a.m. Tuesday because there's gonna be the trade balance on Tuesday. So most likely I'll enter a short order there, sell stop or a market short. We'll see. Yeah, that's really nice. Not gonna. If you can enter there if you want. If you're trading a wider time frame, if you're like swing trading, I'm gonna wait for me. I'm just just little steps. Just gonna sell somewhere here with my initial target price here, 112, and then it actually might go down until here, but probably it will by next week, not this week. Gold, Oof. Oof. I don't really trade gold, and I don't really trade metals anymore. It's better to buy jewelry, to be honest. Or probably if you can afford it, buy actual silver coins, you know. It's better to own them, the actual assets, than, you know, trading them. So one, two, there's a symmetrical triangle happening here, so it might converge here at 1,200. I'm not gonna trade that. I don't really trade that, but it's nice, you know, monitoring that. I mean, I don't trade that in my live account, but I sometimes do trade that in my demo account just for funsies, you know. But yeah, I avoid that because gold is highly manipulated. Again, I personally prefer to own gold, you know, at least gold jewelry. I mean, I can't afford a gold bar. Ha, I wish. But probably oh my god, if any of you guys live in the Philippines, the Ultra Lotto has, I don't know if it's gonna reach, nobody won yesterday yet. Price is already 952 million in pesos, of course. How much is that in dollars? Let's see. 950 million. There you go. Okay, divided by, let's just say 50 pesos. $19 million. Wow. Okay. So the next draw is gonna be on Tuesday. So if nobody, I don't know how much the price will be on Tuesday, if it will already reach 1 billion pesos. Oh my god, that's the first time I heard a lotto reaching 1 billion pesos. That's crazy. It's, I mean, I don't advise anyone to, you know, just really, really small, like even less than 0.0000 whatever zeros, 1% probability of winning. But if you have, you know, if you have precognition, if you can see numbers in your dreams, and bet on it, and maybe you will win. But I'll just try for fancies. Just one number. I'm not gonna trade like some people. They sacrifice their whole, you know, their whole salary. Okay, so going back to silver, probably if I and gold, probably if I'm lucky enough to win that lotto, then I'll buy gold bars or whatever. I'll be like the Banco Central, or I'll be like the central bank. I don't even know how I will do that. It's better to actually own these assets than, just my opinion. I don't know, maybe some of you don't agree with that, and that's fine. We have different opinions. Okay, for oil, well, it has reached its peak at 74. I don't know if it will, if this is a shooting star already or not. It is, by technical standards, but I don't know if it will go up to 80 or not, because the lower time frame is showing otherwise. It might go down here next, 71.50. Like metals, I don't really trade oil anymore as well. I don't want to get burned. Again, in live account, but in demo, sometimes I enjoy trading that just for fun. But I monitor this because they help me gauge how strong dollar is. Especially, I also look at the dollar index. So, yeah. Okay, for exotic currencies, I did love trading one exotic currency before, the USD ruble, when it was soaring high. That was in early 2014 when I was just new in trading foreign currencies, and actually that was the pair that really hooked me into foreign currencies. Anyway, so USDs are, just wait, I'm just gonna wait here at the 15th level. I'm not really an expert. I've just started trading FOREX. I've started learning it back in 2014, but I'm only trading it live for for a year and some months, almost 2 years. Started trading it live back in 2016, so I'm kind of newbish, or probably around intermediate, somewhere between newbish and intermediate. So all the more you guys have to do your own research and due diligence. I'm just actually, unlike most, YouTubers. No, I don't really want to call myself YouTubers. Unlike most traders who do YouTube about their trading and stuff, they're mostly doing it to market their educational materials and forex signals. But me, my main goal for doing this is to have more focus on more focus in general, and just that's just a journal, a typical vlog, literally a vlog of how I think, how I process all these information. So yeah, and at the same time embarrassing myself in the process. So 18.7 for USD Mexican peso. I don't know if that will bounce up the next few days or hours. We'll see. So yeah, that's just my main purpose for starting my channel. This personal channel isn't just limited to trading, by the way. I might add some artsy stuff, so if you don't like that, or if you like that, I don't know, don't be surprised if I suddenly upload those stuff. So we discussed that already. CAD-GPY, gotta sell that soon. Wait, what is my level again there? I forgot. CAD-GPY, let me just check it quickly. 87. Okay, alright. 87 to 6.8. Oh my god, it's already 5 a.m. I hope I'm able to edit and upload this video really quick. Hopefully before the London, or at least the Japan, the Tokyo session starts. And then I'll sleep until before the UK session starts. Nah. Sleep is important. So yeah, that's it, guys.